how to create automation in Monday.com 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create an automation in Monday.com in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, if you want to use Monday.com, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off for yourself right away. Now, to create an automation when you have started using Monday.com, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over ahead to the Monday Marketplace that you can find up here in the top right. Now, once you click on that, here you can find all the apps that you can initiate an automation with. Okay, so it depends on you on which app you want to actually automate everything with. So let's say the best app that would be, useful to automate, things with would be Zapier. Okay. So you can find Zapier on their marketplace, or you can even add different automations like this recurring automation application, or maybe you want to add a proper application for the automation, like if you want something related to mails, etc. You can add MailChimp's very own automation to streamline all of your mailing and other whatnots. So, you can use different things just like these to make your automations better. Or what you can do is you can go over to the top right section, go over to automations right here. And in their automation center, you can create your very own automations, which are on the custom. So let's say I want to create an automation with Gmail, right? And the automation is every time period, if status is something, send an email to someone. Or when an email is received, create an item in the group. So what you can do is you can use the template, choose the projects you want to go with. So I'm going to go with that. And from here on out, you're simply going to connect your Gmail account, or, in order for that, whatever automation you're using, do make sure to connect the relevant detailings to it. And that is how you're going to be creating an automation for yourself. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.